What's up guys, welcome back to another video here at 88 Rotors Off-Road. Welcome back to our shop. Today we have a few Tacomas we want to showcase. First off, we're starting with this brand new 2024 Tacoma TRD Offroad. As you can see from the decals on the truck, this one came over from our friends over at NYTOP. They've already installed their front and rear red recovery points and their front half bumper. And it's in today for us to install a WESTCOTT Designs front and rear lift kit on here with some new wheels and tires. We're running some Fittipaldi off-road wheels in a 17 by 8.5 size with the zero offset in a satin anthracite finish. Tire of choice today is the NYTOP Ridge Grappler in a 285/75/17 size. In order to fit this properly, we have to do some minor trimming. If you're new to the channel and have not seen our 4th generation Tacoma, make sure to check it out at the end of the video. I'll throw a link in the description for that. Our shop, 88 Rotors, is located in sunny Southern California in the city of Baldwin Park, which is about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking for some work for your vehicle, especially the 2024 Tacoma, you've come to the right place. Reach out to us anytime by phone, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. We're almost twinning here. Let's park this one next to mine. By reading some of the comments in our previous 4th generation Tacoma videos, we realized that a lot of people are not familiar with the TRD Offroad in the 4th generation. For the 3rd generation Tacoma, TRD Offroad sticker on the bedside depicts that it is a rear-wheel drive if it does not state that it's a TRD Offroad 4x4. That's different for the 4th generation Tacoma. Toyota decided to not make a rear-wheel drive TRD Offroad anymore for the 4th generation Tacoma. So to clarify for everyone that thought that we bought a rear-wheel drive Tacoma, no, every TRD Offroad 4th generation Tacoma is a 4x4. So here's a quick comparison of my Tacoma and NYTOP's Tacoma. Mine is on a 3-inch king setup with Camburg Kinetik billet upper control arms and rear links. I'm also on 35-inch tires, while theirs is on a 34-inch tire. 285/75/17 to be exact. So what's your take on the new 2024 Tacoma? Is this something that you would purchase, or do you have one already? Drop a comment down below and let us know. For those that have not seen my Tacoma, here's a recap on what I have. This is a project that's ongoing. A lot of parts are not available for this vehicle yet, but it's slowly coming along. So far, we have a king setup on here. We have the 2.5 remote reservoir, coilovers, and shocks all around with compression adjusters. We're lucky enough to be the first 4th generation Tacoma with a set of those on there. And guess what? We placed an order for an obnoxious amount of these. So if you want to pre-order a set of king shocks for your 4th generation Tacoma, hit us up now. And if all goes well as King says, we should be receiving them in about 2 months. We were also very lucky to have Camburg Racing hook us up with a set of Camburg Kinetik uniball upper control arms. We're also running their Kinetik rear links in the back. For the wheels and tires on this one, KMC hooked us up with a set of forged beadlocks. These are the impacts in a machine finish, 17 by 9 with a positive 25 offset. We're running a 35 12.5/17 TOYO Open Country MT tire. To maximize storage space for the vehicle, we installed a Prinsu Pro Cabrack on here. And we hooked it up with a set of Baja Design XL Linkables to brighten up the night. We have some CBI skid plates on order for this one in aluminum. Those are coming in hopefully a month or 2. Can't wait to get those in. I also spoke to our boys over at the original Cali Race LED in Texas. They're gonna send us over some product to throw on the vehicle. I can't wait for that one also. Much love and respect to those guys for taking care of us. We also built a custom tire carrier for this one. If you haven't seen it yet, check out our other videos. We have more details of it in that vid. Next up, we have this 3rd generation magnetic gray metallic Tacoma TRD Offroad 4x4. This one right here is going with a set of Fox Performance Elite Series. All 2.5 Performance Elite Series come standard with DSC. To correct the alignment angles and to maximize articulation of the front end and improve performance, we installed a set of Elevate billet upper control arms in the Fox orange color. We also did a body mount chop and a high clearance bumper cut on here to fit some KMC GRS wheels in a 17 by 9 -12 offset. We wrapped it up in a NYTOP Ridge Grappler in a 285/70/17 size. And to brighten up the night and for those trail runs, we also installed an amber colored Baja Design Squadron Sport ditch light setup. We hope that you guys are enjoying the video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for our video and the channel itself, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. With the new lift, wheels, tires, and ditch lights installed on the vehicle with the body mount chop and high clearance bumper cut, we're going to bring it out for a quick test drive now before we hand the keys back over to our customer. 88 Rotors Off-Road is your #1 Tacoma parts dealer. We have 2 warehouses in the city of Baldwin Park fully stocked with parts for your Toyota truck. Are you tired of ordering parts from people and it takes them so long to ship or so long for you to receive them? You know why? Most of those businesses are drop shipping businesses. We don't believe in that. Everything we list on our website, we have in stock and they're ready to rock. We ship same or next business day. Next up, we have this Lunar Rock Trail Edition Tacoma. This one's in for a King 2.5 remote reservoir coilover and shock setup all around. We paired the front up with some Camburg Kinetik in King Blue upper control arms, and the rear's getting an add-a-leaf system from Deaver. Our tech is seen here cutting off the excess threading of the retainer bolt of the new add-a-leaf system. And here's a black TRD Sport 4x4 that we just installed a BILSTEIN lift on. We also did some double black Method MR305s with some 285/70/17 KO2 tires on it. With the lift set up like this, you're able to clear some 285/75/16 tires on the factory Trail Series wheels. Our tech is seen here performing a high clearance bumper cut on this Tacoma. The next Tacoma is going with a Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series coilover and shock setup. We're pairing it up with an Elevate suspension billet upper control arm. We're lifting the rear of this one on a Deaver add-a-leaf system. For the wheels and tires, we're going with the classic Method MR312s. These are a 17x8.5 size with a 0 offset in a matte black finish. We wrapped it up in a 285/70/17 BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2 tire. It's nice to see an access cap getting hooked up like this. By the way, we just restocked on 2D Pro style grills for the 3rd generation Tacoma. We have them in stock with TSS garnishes and indicator lights like you see here. They're available for purchase in-store or on our website at 88rotorsoffroad.com, and it does come with free shipping. Here at 88 Rotors Off-Road, we help you take the guesswork out on what parts to order for your lift package. A lot of components have to be put together for a perfect lift setup, and we do all of that. We have prepackaged and pre-assembled kits available for purchase at 88rotorsoffroad.com. Next up, we have this 2nd generation Tacoma that we're doing a King setup on. We're doing the King Blue Elevate billet arms on that one also. Next up, we have this Lunar Rock Tacoma on a BILSTEIN 6112 and 5160 setup with SPC upper control arms. We just did Durabump bump stops on here with some RRW RR7H flow form wheels. These are a 17x8.5 size with a 0 offset in a matte bronze finish that we wrapped in a 285/70/17 Mickey Thompson Baja Boss AT. If you want to get a deal on a set of RR7H flow form wheels, check out our website at 88rotorsoffroad.com and use discount code YouTube to get $100 off of a set of 4. Our tire tech is seen here mounting up a set of KMC Summit wheels in a 17x8.5 size with the 0 offset. We're doing a 285/70/17 BFG KO2 tire on it for this 2nd generation Tacoma here on the King package. And that's pretty much going to wrap it up for today's video. Thank you very much for tuning in, guys. Make sure to check the description below for the links to our Tacoma build. This 2024 Tacoma here is ours with 3 episodes published already and more coming weekly. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe also. And until next time, take care, guys.